Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissanailzcliques. Today we're doing a mix with me video. So I hope you enjoy this. This is going to be very springy, light colors, mostly pinks and whites and clears and silvers. So that is what I'm going to go for today. I received some new spangles, so I'm definitely going to use those. I have some of the unicorn heads, so that is going to be the main thing that I'm putting in this mix. Putting lots and lots and lots of unicorn heads. Okay, and then I also have these stars. Get some scissors for this one. Some of those pink leopard spots. The pink matte chiffon. These square pink. They come up, hopefully they come up the right color on the screen because they are super pink. And these hollowed out circles, they're matte. Well, actually they're more pearly, I think, because the bag is pink, so that's what makes them look matte. Well, the bag is kind of like a peachy color. And these super tiny little squares. Some circles. I'll have to get out the rest later. I'll cut open the bag. And this really pretty pink. I love pink on nails, so. And this is just like a clear, really pretty glitter. Same with this, like a fine glitter. Okay, and then we're going to do this kind of like a rose pink. And I'm going to mix it up and see if I need to add anything more. Oh, I do have these. These are one of my favorites, so I want to add these. They're the larger circles. I love these. And then we will mix it up with my Little bee happy spoon. So it looks like. It's the fun part of making mixes. You never know what it's gonna turn out like if you're mixing. Ooh, that looks pretty with those colored, like the pink. The pink makes it look like spots in there. Isn't that pretty? I like that. It's super pretty. I'm going to add, I have these here. Let's add some of these. It's a couple different things, but I think I want just the strips. Sorry, I was out of frame. It's a sample that I received, so might as well throw it on in there and use it up. That's pretty. Okay, and then I want to add a little bit more fine glitter. I have the hollow fine glitter. That'll make it pop a little bit too. See how that looks. Yep, I like that. Toned it down so it's not super duper pink. But isn't that pretty? Super pretty. Alright guys, I'm going to swatch it up. I have my teaspoon spoon and my baggies. Now most mixes will tell you how much they want in it. Usually it's a teaspoon. I always give a little bit more only because some always sticks to the inside of the bag. So alright, here is my mix. Silver and pink. Super pretty. I love that. Okay, so here's the mix all bagged up. And I did a swatch on that. And then this is my other mix here, the second mix, Butterfly Kisses and Flower Petal Wishes. That is this here. Just to swatch out for you. That is this mix. So this one that I just mixed up with the unicorns does not have a name, so I need help, guys. I need you guys to help me name this mix. Comment below what you would name this mix, and I think I'll put it in a random picker and choose who's going to name this mix, and whoever names it will get a free bag of my mix. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.